PureCutCNC 0.4.0 is now out. This release is focused on better toolpath motion, seated circle clearing, engagement-aware feed reduction, and smoother transitions between passes. It also adds v-bit countersinking and new feature distribution tools. Here's a quick look at what's new. First up is seated circle clearing. It clears the broad open areas with full circles first, then finishes the remaining material with offset rings around walls and islands. Next is engagement-aware feed reduction. The tool slows where it is carrying more material, while easier stretches stay closer to the programmed feed. The colors make those changes visible before you cut. Offset rings now transition more smoothly, using tangent links where they fit. When a smooth link is not safe or practical, PureCutCNC keeps the straightforward path instead. Drilling now includes v-bit countersinking. Enter the finished mouth diameter and PureCutCNC calculates the depth from the selected v-bit's angle. Finally, feature distribution lets you create editable grids, radial arrays, or copies along a path, without rebuilding the same geometry by hand. That's a quick look at PureCutCNC 0.4.0. It's available now thanks to everyone who has tried it, shared feedback, and helped shape the release.